Let's go!
Dankie vir 4 lekker dae by Hantex. Dit was lekker om ou bekendes te sien asook nuwe mense te leer ken. Almal wat julle naam opgeskryf het, dag 4, 12 nuwe pile. Wins van die gevegkuns gaan vir ons. Gaan ek agter my rug om kan skiet?
Wat kant moet ek skiet?
Ja, okay, hardloop daai kant. Okay, gooi.
Okay, is jy reg?
Ja.
Okay, hoe vaar?
En spin.
Okay.
Ek hoop ek skiet raak en ja, sy. Daar's baie name. Middel van daai nommer.
Dis in al die nommers.
Ja, maar die wat uit die meeste raak het
37.
is 37. Nommer 37. 37, dag 4, dankie vir almal se hallo sê, dankie vir nog 'n wonderlike jaar by Hantex, dankie aan Hantex se organiseerders. Nommer 37 is Nick. Dis daar vir ons. Nick Karankola, sit sy nommer daarin, dan bel ons hom live. Wel dan, as julle nie pile gewen het nie, is julle welkom om vir ons te kom kuier. Ons maak vir julle lekker, help julle met van ons top Eastern, Goldtip, Carbon Express en Black Eagle pile. Of kom kuier en kom toetskie die nuwe Bowtech Matthews of Dartons. En die wenner is ek sien ek die man se nommer op my foon. As hy nie antwoord nie, 5 leier 4.
Wag.
3. Good day, sir. Yes, Rachel Archer H, how are you doing? Lucky man. Thank you for visiting us at Hantex. And just want to say you're the lucky winner of 12 new arrows.
No way, serious.
Yes.
Okay. Awesome. You must think the person under my name.
Yes.
Because he left the gap there. They never went in order.
Okay.
37 was empty, so you must thank the person under me for giving me the prize.
Well, thank you, person under you, for giving you the prize. I'll thank them also. But you're the lucky winner of arrows, so we'll arrange during the week for you for your 12 arrows.
I can come pick it up because I need to bring my bow into your store.
Perfect.
Ja, perfect. Lekker
Lekker.
Boesman.
Come through.
Lekker Boesman.
We're waiting for you. Thank you very much. Thanks for visiting us. We'll organize during the week. Thanks, man.